Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfiatun Nur Hasanah. I'm from Science. I'm from Science and Mathematics Fakultas, and I from study program Science Education. Let's watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. What do you think about acid rain? Yes, acid rain, the occurs naturally, is caused by volcanic eruption and biological process in the sea, swamps, and soil. However, the base cause of acid rain is hospitable activities in public space for the surrounding environment by humans such as industry, mobile vehicle, agricultural processing plants, and the exhaust gases produced in the these activities will be carried by the wind in the atmosphere before turning into acid. And then the process of acid rain. When evaporation, human activities is also one of the cause of acid rain. This is because these activities can cause gases such as carbon dioxide, monoxide, and sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen sulfur. The gas is sourced from motor vehicle fumes, vector steams, combusting and another. Almost all of the its constituents are water. Water has a very important role for life. During the day, the water is raised in the sea evaporation and move towards the air layers. Furthermore, gases the have fused in the air and trigger acid rain. And two, union process. In this process, this is union between carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide with water vapor to form weak acids. In addition, hydrogen sulfur and sulfur dioxide are also fused with water vapor which will produce strong acids. The union can trigger acid rain. And three, final process is compound that has been joined will be carried by the wind to higher place. When the mixture of the compound reaches the saturation point, it fills redoubs with rather redoubs where the falling rainwater contain acids. The following is the chemical reason for the acid rain to from. Yes, it's continuous is cause of acid rain. What it is? 1. Sulfur and nitrogen. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are one cause of acid rain. The compound is processed from the various combustion process such as industry that produce crude oil, palm oil, mills, and the metal industry. Source of sulfur oxide were obtained from volcanic eruption and motor vehicles. The compound is produced from various processes such as a high temperature combustion. An example is the chemical fertilizers and drug industry. Number 2, air pollution. Hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide are also able to cause acid rain. Both of these compounds are the result of heating and burning sulfur. Both of these compounds with water will form surface acids which belongs to the group of strong acid. Number 3, human activities. Yes, human activities. Various human activities such as exercise, use of coal and petroleum can trigger acid rain. In addition, acid rain can also be caused by volcanic eruption due to volcanic ash. The existence of various biological processes can also trigger acid rain. Yes, and then the impact acid rain. Number 1, stunted root growth. Number 2, ecosystem it lakes and rifts. And then cause erosion and reduce soil fertility. And then disrupt health. And then cause corrosive iron, and soil fertility decrease, and then wipe out land animals, and then disturbing increase metal content in water. Yes, and then there are symptoms of acid rain. 1. The pH is below number, which is 5.7, and then nitric and sulfur acid level increase in the air. Number 3, an increase in sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide emission. Number 4, has an effect on body health. This is because the presence of acid rain can increase surface. Number 5, of heart and lung disease. Number 6, cause skin irritation and headaches. Hello guys,